We will do first experiment.
Yes! Yes!
Okay, we will do now. This is the water fireworks. How is it going to work? Okay. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. What we need for it? Measuring a jar and the container,
And blue
conical
color.
flask. Eh.
Blue color. Water.
This is water and this is the
Oil.
oil. Let's do the experiment. Okay. What are you doing? I am adding
I am doing red color in oil.
in the oil. Okay. How many drops? 2 drops.
No, 3 drops.
Oh,
Add 3 drops of blue
blue color. Pour the oil from the measuring cylinder into the flask. Observe the water. Uh, hold in your hand this conical flask. Okay. Let me see the water.
Tagged me.
Show me the wow fireworks working. The only blue color is going now. Red color. Look at wow, it's working. Can you see underwater? It's fire.
Yes.
Wow, look, you meet. Ah, yes, it's lovely to see. Inside the water,